Oh, welcome back to Lazy's Capri. Welcome back to Lazy's Capri. Today I'm going to try and fit this panel, which I've actually fabricated out of 1mm aluminium sheet. I've marked it out. The idea is really just to cover these two holes up. I was sort of planning on grinding them back here, flushing them off, weld a circle back in there, weld all the holes up, but looking at the panel, it shouldn't take too much work, because I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bit of filler on it. You can see there's a crack there, so there's a little bit of filler on the back. So I think the best thing to do is just cover it up, which I'm going to do now. So I pre-made this LED sheet. Just try to see if I can make it fit. It goes about there. I've roughed it up a couple of times. Now the holes that I'm drilling here now, I'd like them up there really, but the way it lines up, it's actually can go right on the edge where the boot floor is, so I won't be able to get a nut on it. And they need to be, you can't really see it here, but a little bit higher, just about there, because there's a row of holes there. So I need to cover them up as well. I don't know what this panel's going to look like, so we'll have a go at fitting it and see what happens. So I've marked it out, and the first hole there is going to be something about like that. What I might do is just quickly put a bit of masking tape on there. Can't find it. Who's it, the masking tape? There it is. Put another little bit up here like that. Scratch it. Now, I've actually marked it. I'm not normally sort of centre punch little holes like that, but because if I was to start banging it, I'm sure a big lump of filler will fall out or something like that. So what we do, I've marked it here. I've got a small, I don't know what size drill this is, probably about 1mm, 1.5mm. So we'll drill through that first. Right, I'll carry on drilling with this one, but next time I'll get a sharp drill. Right, that's the first hole. So I'm just going to use a pilot hole. It saves me trying to put a drill in, it wanders all over the place. I don't want it to go down, but I don't want it to go up because it's going to scratch the paint. So we put it in the hole, start it slowly. Yeah, it's blunt as anything as well. So the next time we're going to try and get another drill done. These are little round-headed hexagon bolts I'm going to use, or button-headed I think they call them. Just make sure it fits. Yeah, it's a bit snug, but best that way than a bit loose. I'm only going to pin these, I'm not going to bolt them up properly because I've run out of 4mm washers, so I've got some on order from eBay, so hopefully they come soon. So we'll put that one on there like that. Screw it in. Should really go and get some Allen keys. I still might actually. Get some on the bench. Hang on, don't go away, be back a sec. Oh, it's still there then, haven't got bored. Right, let's get an Allen key for that. It's got to be that one. Obviously not. That's a 2.5mm one. Right, I'll just put this nut on the other side, just in case the button head decides to fall out. That's it. That's it. It's not tight, but now then, somehow I've got to try and get this level. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do it. So I need to get probably another. What I'm going to do, I'm going to work in from the middle and work out, rather than try and pin there, then try and pin one there, and then there might be a bit of a gap and won't go down properly. So I reckon it's got to go back like that. Well, I need to measure from somewhere, I think. Alright, don't go away, I'll be back. best way to do this, you go from a datum edge, which is go from the bottom of the boot lid. That seems like a plan. Let's do it the other way around. It's a bit of an arse. $2.10. Put mark there. Oh, that looks actually spot on. Put a little mark on that. Alright, so that's the line I'm going to work to. So the best thing to do is give it another check, I think. 210. That's a little bit out actually. 209. That's 209. So is that. So definitely that's the line we can go for that line there. So next thing to do, I've scribed a nice line across there, but so we really need, see like that, that's it. And what I might do is just put a pilot through there. With this blunt drill. Should have changed it really, but I'll change it next time. Okay, well, scratch them out. So, 4mm back in. Not that blunt, but still. I'll change it in a minute. Sure, I've got some 4mm drills in there. Just do this one. No, I don't like that at all. I think we'll find another 4mm drill. Well, unfortunately my eyes are not as good as what they should be, so I have to cheat a little bit and measure the drills. I can't actually read what's on them. That's sharp. It's 4mm. Put that there. A couple just in case. That's pretty 4mm-ish. Oh, that's under that. That's not 4. These. Well, we'll go with that one. So we've got two nice, I wouldn't say new ones, but hopefully they're sharp. 4mm drills. Put that one over there. I know I've got loads of 4mm drills because I've done quite a lot of pop riveting a little while ago. Not on this, but on another car. And I actually got through quite a few of them. See, this one cuts. Yeah. I might have to tighten it up a little bit. Alright, put that one in there. What I'll do, I'll put this one on and do one more. And I'm going to have a quick look at it, make sure it's all in line. Sometimes when you're doing these out, just poke the tongue out, it makes you concentrate a bit better. Do these. centre a little bit. That's it. Right. Get the pilot back on. So look where we are. Yeah, spot on. Let's go up. Go out just a little bit, so I'll just move it up a little bit. Don't get a nut on that, it's not a problem. Right, so that's the half of it done. Let's peel some of this stuff off and have a look at it. Put it off right to there. Right, that's it. That's what she's going to look like. So, I don't know. The jury's out on that at the moment. I don't really want it to stand out too much, so I'll have a think. What I'll do, the best thing to do is go and have a cup of tea. Don't want to put any fingerprints on it too much. That's going to fit. So good it is. I'm pleased with that. Once they're bolted in, they're pulled down like that. So I think black. And that's a nice piece of alley, but with alley, I don't really want to polish it. We'll have to lacquer it. So yeah, black it is. So anyway, that's probably it for the moment. It's been quite a boring video for you, but hopefully I'll do, once I've decided whether to do it black or silver, I'll finish off with the rest of these holes, put some more bolts in there, just pin it up, just so I can stand back and have a look at it and see what I think, or what you think, if you've got any comments about it. And then I'll take it back off, put some etch primer on it, and I've got a can of black paint anyway, so it's like a matte, it's a matte black, it's not gloss. I think it was quite classy. Well, that was quite nice, so don't know, I'm not sure. Anyway, let's have a think about it and I'll come back to, well, make my mind up. I've got to make my mind up today because I really would like to sort of finish this today. I can get the wheelie bars back on and that's the back of the car done. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more videos or very similar or